ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളോട് തരാനുള്ള ഉപദേശം എന്താ?
നിങ്ങളോട് പറയാനാ ഈശ്വരാ എൻ്റെ മക്കളെ കാത്ത് രക്ഷിക്കണേ.
Everyone, so tomorrow we are going to go. We're going to start our journey. So today we are supposed to do RT-PCR, so we are going for that, and hopefully we'll be fine. And of course we are going to do some other tests also, just to be safe, because we are going to high altitude, and there could be trouble if our health is not proper. It will be a burden to the people who are traveling with us, so we don't want that, right? So we'll be doing that also, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll do fine. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Shopping today. I shop for
Last minute shopping, guys.
Yeah, last minute shopping.
So we wanted to get sunglasses for her, and we wanted to get some cheap and best watches which we can use along the way. So we have taken fast track watches. No, it is not a sponsored video. We have taken got sunglasses also from fast track. So.
It's cheap and best, and it's actually a fitness band, so maybe it will help along the way. And I will put on the cooling glasses. It's polarized
And UV protection is also there. So few more things to get, guys. So we are going to Decathlon for a last minute shopping. From there I have to get UV full sleeves t-shirt so that I can wear it under the riding jacket. So that's it. That'll be the shopping done, and after that it is family time. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world.
ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളോട് തരാനുള്ള ഉപദേശം എന്താ?
നിങ്ങളോട് പറയാനാ ഈശ്വരാ എൻ്റെ മക്കളെ കാത്ത് രക്ഷിക്കണേ.
So let go, I don't